This tree is so thin. I don't want to fall from here. Father, do you never feel fear?
Fear is instinctive for all creatures, Alpha. Even wolves are no exception. When you can face your fears one day, you will have the potential to become an excellent wolf king. Shh, Alpha. Stay focused and slow down your steps. We can use the cover of these bushes to quietly approach the prey. The prey seems to be completely unguarded. Attack now!
I did it, Father! Did you see that?
Well done, my son. Now deliver the final blow to the prey and savor the fruits of your victory.
At the same time, a deafening roar suddenly came from not far away.
Gosh, it's a giant bear!
I will never allow other animals to lay their paws on our spoils.
Father, did we win?
That giant bear may have a massive body, but it's used to fighting alone. Remember, Alpha, to become the ruler of the wilderness, relying solely on yourself is not enough. You must learn to harness the power of your companions.
I'll keep that in mind, Father.
Suddenly, contemptuous laughter from the hyenas came from ahead.
Loki! Why are you with these filthy hyenas?
What Father said was right. So, I have found new partners for our alliance.
You have disappointed me greatly, Loki. Hyenas are the scummiest and nastiest creatures in the wilderness. If you have any self-respect as a wolf, you shouldn't be partnering with them.
Quit with the old sayings, Father. This is a new era. In the wilderness, there are no lifelong friends or...
Watch out, Father! They're about to attack!
I'll hold them off. Alpha, you need to get out of here and let the rest of our pack know about Loki's betrayal.
Alpha miraculously escaped and returned home, only to find that the once peaceful and tranquil home had turned into a raging inferno. He shed tears of humiliation and unwillingness, but they were insignificant in the face of the raging flames. Gazing out upon the vast expanse of the wilderness, he vowed to use his own strength to uncover the truth behind Loki's treachery.
Damn Loki. How could he betray us like this? Father, I will find a way to survive and avenge you and our companions. Everything around here looks so strange. Where the hell am I? I've been walking for ages, and I haven't heard a single bird tweet. And I can catch a whiff of something nasty. That was so close. The hyenas nearly bit off my tail. Can't even remember the last time I ate. I need to find something to fill my belly first. There are some trees here with red berries on them. They should help alleviate my hunger for a while. I hope these berries will keep me feeling full for longer. I haven't had a decent nap in ages.
Days of running around have left Alpha exhausted both mentally and physically. After filling his belly, he collapsed into a deep sleep in the grass. Suddenly, a wolf's howl pierced the air, waking Alpha from his sleep.
That's a distress signal for a wolf. The howl came from that direction. I need to go check it out. You poor little creature. Even if you howl your heart out, nobody's coming to save you.
You despicable hyenas! All you know is ambush and taking advantage of the weak. Even if it means death, I'll take you all with me to hell.
She can't hold on much longer. I can't just stand by and watch.
Thank you for saving me.
You're welcome. Can you tell me something?
We're in Sunset Valley, the territory of Conan the Wolf King. My name is Moon, and I'm Conan's daughter. What about...
My name is Alpha, and I'm a wolf who wandered into this area.
Recently, hyenas that were led by a mysterious black wolf attacked our alliance.
Hyenas and a black wolf. Is Loki behind this as well?
That hill over there is the Wolf Throne, the most sacred place of our alliance. I plan to rally the wolves in the valley, retake the Wolf Throne, and rescue my father.
But you're injured and can barely stand up, let alone retake the Wolf Throne. Take a rest here for now. I'll go gather some healing herbs for you.
I know this place inside out. Don't hesitate to ask me if you need any help.
I've got enough herbs now. Time to take them back to Moon.
Thank you, Alpha. The bleeding from my wound has stopped now.
You're welcome. Let's find a place to have some rest. You must be